This school year is the Baptist Church School. So the students here are saying that they're very happy of receiving those small items, the textbooks, the pencil, the pen, the rulers, and other stuff related to the education. So they are very happy, and I am hoping that they will do very good in the school year, and they will do very good in the future. So now it will be time to distribute those items to those students. So we can start. I'll start the first action by giving this glue. And this is the gum, right? Yeah, and one gum to student. Regular, and you guys gonna do the rest. Right there. Thank you. Another student come in front.